I'm in Excel and I want to make sure that after I save my document, nobody can go in and make any changes. So I'm just going to put in the word test and then go over to the File menu, and I'm going to go down to where it says Info. And when I go to Info, I'll choose Protect Workgroup and choose Always Open Read Only. So that way, nobody can go in and make any changes to my document. And that's even if they have write changes in the security permissions. So now I'm going to go and save my document. And I'll just call this one Test 1. Save it. And now I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to reopen it and we'll see what happens. I'll choose File, Open, and Test 1. And look at that. We see the author would like you to open this particular document as read-only. So I'll click yes, that's fine. And there we go. Now, what if I want to make changes to this document? Well, I can do that. I'll just make some changes, but I can't do the save. I can only do the save as. So I'll choose Save As, and then I'll choose to call this one Test 2, and click Save. So that way my original document has been saved. Nobody can make any changes to it, but I still am able to make changes in a new document.